Welcome to Yeah It's Red. Today we're going to talk about a project that I've been working on. I like making bags, and I like making them for my motorcycle. And so I have a prototype that I've made here, so I want to show you the unit, and I possibly will manufacture them for sale later on. This is based off of a GI duffel bag, and it essentially is a small duffel bag. It is just under 20-liter capacity. It has pockets on the outside, and then there's pockets on the inside as well. You can put a cell phone in there, other gear. It has a shoulder strap that is adjustable, and you can store that in the pocket as if you need to. It has dome fasteners, so there's two of these pockets, one on the other side as well. It has a handle, and these are the connectors for the shoulder strap. What it also has are these loops, and it's sort of like the molle construction. This will facilitate tie-down loops to go through, so you can fasten it to your bike, or bungee cords can go through, or you can attach another bag on top of that. The closure is very simple. I've modified it. The GI duffel bags have a metal loop that comes through, and then you hook it on with your shoulder strap. What I have done is I've modified it with this leather strap. So we're going to undo it. You can go just like that. So there's a strap that comes out of here. There's also a flap on the inside with a pocket that you put over top of your goods. You fold the first piece down, thread the opposing side through the strap like that. Then you take a corner, feed it through, so that seals over top of that. Then you take the other corner, that feeds through, so now it's nice and tight. And then just press that in like so. There you are. Now this bag is made out of hemp material, so it's very durable, very strong. The strap is made out of hemp as well, and so are the molle loops. And so we can get this shoulder strap out. Hook it to that. And to this side, so it can just be top shoulder, or we can hook it to this one here, and it goes over your shoulder.